Hi, I'm Tshianeo and I'm with my partner Thabelo, and we're going to talk about empirical and molecular formula. I'm Tshianeo who's going to teach you about empirical formula. The first step is to understand what is empirical formula, and empirical formula is a formula showing the simplest ratio of an atom or the simplest whole number ratio of an element in a compound. And the following steps about empirical formula is the steps of calculating the empirical formula. The steps of calculating the empirical formula are as follows. First, you must change the percentage into grams. Second, divide the grams by the atomic mass of the given element. Third, simplify by the smallest ratio. And the fourth, you multiply or divide by the smallest number. The first example of calculating the empirical formula is, let's say you have been given 20% of calcium and 80% of bromine. The first step you are going to do is to change the percentage into grams, and you're gonna get 20 grams of calcium and 80 grams of bromine. Then divide the grams by the atomic mass number of the given element, and you're gonna get 20 grams divided by 40, which is the atomic mass number of the calcium, and 80 grams divided by 80, which is the atomic mass number of bromine, and it will be, in calcium it will be half, and in bromine it will be 1. And the fourth step, remember the first step, and you're gonna multiply or divide by the smallest ratio, and that will be a half, and you're gonna divide a half by a half, and then divide 1 by a half. Then you're going to get 1 in calcium and 2 in bromine. The empirical formula is calcium bromide, and it will be CaBr2, which you have 2 bromine.
Hi, I'm Thabelo. I'm Tshianeo's partner, and I'm going to talk about molecular formula. Firstly, you have to know what is a molecular formula. A molecular formula is a formula showing the actual number of atoms of each element present in one molecule. This is an example, which is ethane, C2H4, and its molecular formula is C2H4, wherein its simplest ratio gives us the empirical formula of CH2. Another example is methanol, which is CH3OH. And we've got another last example. Let's say we have the actual formula of the unknown organic compound, which is 4 times CH2. And therefore, this will be C4H8. C4H8 is the molecular formula, and it shows the actual number of atoms of each element present in one molecule of the substance. The substance here is called butane.
Thank you for listening to our presentation by Tshianeo and Thabelo.